Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your GameSir Nova Lite to your PS4 in 2026. So first of all, you try connecting via Bluetooth or USB. The PS4 is not recognizing the controller for gameplay. It is because currently GameSir Nova Lite is not officially supported by PS4, so it can't connect directly like a standard DualShock controller. This is due to Sony's compatibility restrictions for third-party controllers. So to use the controller, you will need a third-party adapter such as Cronus Zen. So what you can do is you can simply plug the adapter into the PS4 using a USB port. After that, you just have to connect your GameSir Nova Lite to the adapter. You can do this via USB cable or Bluetooth depending on how the adapter is configured. After that, you just have to follow the adapter's setup process. This may include connecting an official PS4 controller for authentication and also ensuring the adapter firmware is up to date. Finally, once everything is connected, you can test your controller in the PS5 menu or inside a game to confirm that it is working correctly. So this is the only way for you to connect your GameSir Nova Lite to PS4 in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.